welcome back to my channel. Before I get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and now let's actually get started. So today I'm going to be unboxing my dimple. I'm super excited about that. So let's get into it. I can't show you me actually opening the message because it'll show my dad's name, so I'm not going to show you me opening it. I'm just going to show you when. Okay, I'm opening it. OMG! OMG! Oh my god, I am so happy right now. I'm going to take it out of the packaging. I'm going to show you if I recommend it or not. There's yeah. This is really good. Both sides are really easy to pop. I rate this a 10 out of 10. Buy one right now. And I'm so happy that I got the opportunity to buy this. I am so happy. At first I was like, when I opened the package I was like, that is such a small package. I'm sorry guys, I might not have even been playing with that in front of the camera. And turn it around, just pop them both. It's really cool. And I love it so much. I know this was a short video, but thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I'll see you next time I post. Bye guys.